We have something very special here because, of course, our quality of our product is just nothing like it on the market, and most people have never seen one. And even if they have, they've never seen one of the quality card that we have.
Here is integrity. $20 a month is going to get you $5,000 reporting as a primary account holder and not an AU. That is powerful. Powerful.
Unheard of. Again, not being a network marketer, I just built this. If I was, what would I want? Truthfully, what would I want? And the very best that I could find, I say, well, yeah, let's put this in here. So our plan is complete hybrid plan. So it pays unlimited deep and unlimited wide. Okay, guys, you just don't see that, and it allows you to get to break it.
Yes.
And 100% match.
And it's with a product that everybody want anyway.
And everybody using. And it's 50% commission.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
On that $400 order, you just made $200. You just talked about.
Absolutely brilliant, sir.